Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to crochet a 3D heart. You can use it with a crochet toy, or as a pin cushion, or as a gift. I'm using a G hook and less than 30 yards of worsted weight yarn. To begin, start with the magic ring, which is just a loose slip knot. Chain 1. For round 1, make 6 single crochet stitches in this ring. Be sure to crochet in the ring and over that tail end. 4, 5, and 6. Pull the yarn end to close the ring. We're going to work in spirals, so no slip stitches in this pattern. We'll move on to round 2. So place the first single crochet in the first stitch, and it's important when working in spirals to always mark your first stitch. On this round, we'll place 2 single crochet in each stitch, and then make 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Continue with this pattern around. We have 12 single crochet on this round. On to round 3. On this round, we're going to place 2 single crochet in the first stitch, then mark the stitch, then just 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, then just 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Continue with this pattern around. You'll have 18 stitches once completed. For round 4, we're just going to place 1 single crochet in each stitch around. And since the previous round had 18 stitches, this one will have just 18 stitches too, since there are no increases or decreases. For round 5, we have a brand new pattern. Start with 2 single crochet in the first stitch, mark it, then make 1 single crochet in each of the next 5 stitches, 3, 4, and 5. Then repeat this 2 single crochet followed by 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches, twice more around. You'll have a total of 21 stitches on this round. And then we make another one just like it, but don't fasten off. Now we're going to connect them together. For round 6, insert the hook into the very next stitch of the first piece we made and make a single crochet. Now make 16 more single crochet stitches around this first piece, for a total of 17 single crochet. You can see what the 17 stitches look like. We have 4 stitches left over. We're not going to use those anymore. Now on to the second piece. Now on the second piece, we're going to leave 4 stitches unworked as well. Then go into the 5th stitch and make a single crochet. You can see what the 2 pieces look like. And you can see the 4 stitches that were skipped on both pieces in the middle. We already made 1 single crochet, so now we need to make 16 more single crochet for a total of 17 stitches on this side. So for round 6, we have a total of 34 stitches, 17 on the one side and 17 on the other. For round 7, we're going to start decreasing. We'll start by making 8 single crochet stitches. There's 1 stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to do a single crochet 2 together decrease stitch. I do mine differently. I insert my hook into the front loops of the next 2 stitches, then complete the stitch. And now we make 7 single crochet stitches on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then we repeat everything we just did for this other side. So start with 8 single crochet, then the single crochet 2 decrease stitch, then follow it with 7 single crochet stitches. On to round 8. This time we start off with 7 single crochet stitches. There's our first one, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now the single crochet 2 decrease stitch. And we follow it with 7 single crochet. You can see the 7 stitches, the decrease stitch, then the 7 stitches. Now we repeat this 7, decrease, 7 on this side as well. It's probably a good time to turn the heart inside out and use the beginning yarn strand to sew up that middle section with the skipped 4 stitches on both pieces. For round 9, we're going to do a different pattern. We'll start off with 7 single crochet stitches. 5, 6, and 7. Then do the decrease stitch. Then make 6 single crochet in the remaining stitches. Then repeat the 7, decrease, then 6 on this other side. For the remaining pattern, which you can also get on my website, you'll make the following stitches on each of the rounds. You'll end up with a round that has 12 stitches on it. I like to stuff my heart with polyester fiber fill as I work. At the end, you'll have a chance to get a little more into the heart. Then use a yarn needle and the tail end to sew close the space at the bottom. And that's it. That's how I make a cute 3D puffy heart decoration.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.